Something is eating our hostas. Haven't we heard that before?
Yeah.
How do we keep our hostas safe? And this is Doug from Bartlett, Tennessee. So Joseph, something's eating those hostas.
Yeah.
Any idea?
Yeah,
Maybe eating those hostas?
yeah, it looks like it's rabbits.
Yeah, it's something we talked about, right, from the picture, and we appreciate that picture, yeah, because the rabbits, yeah, clean cuts, angled
Clean cut
cuts.
angles, and they only eat down to a certain
Right.
part, so they're not eating all of it.
Right, like
So
Yeah.
deers will.
Deer would just like, bite it off and there'd be nothing but stems left.
Right.
And it's only eating parts of it at a time.
right.
Okay,
Yeah.
so, yeah, how do we keep those hostas safe, though? What do you think, Joel?
Well, wires are always good. I like, for voles, you do wire under the ground. For rabbits, I would put chicken wire on top.
Right.
And
Yeah.
you can make a little cage out of it, or, just keep them to protect them.
You can also put them in raised pots, something high off the ground the rabbits won't get into. Be
Okay.
another option.
Okay. Yeah, so there are a couple of options for you, Doug. Yeah, good luck with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, hostas, yeah.
It's it's
Tend to-
it's the candy of the plant
Right.
world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All these little critters love hostas,
Oh,
right?
they
It must
do.
be the taste of something about it.